Hey guys, I'm Andrew, this is Damon, this is our fishing channel, and tomorrow we're going to be going fishing. We're going to go to bed here in a little bit, and then we're going to wake up in the morning and go to a little creek down the street, and we're going to hopefully catch some stuff. We caught some really pretty bluegill down there, really bright blue colors, and yeah, I'll get back to you all in the morning. Alright guys, we just got to the creek. We're getting some bites, but we haven't caught anything yet. I'll keep y'all updated. Damon caught a stick, so yeah. Damon's trash at fishing, just so you know. So we're just been down here for like 5 minutes. I started the video right now. We're trying to catch some minnows, so. Drake, I got one. Did? Yeah. Look. So guys, we got a minnow.
Can I do it now?
I'm gonna set y'all up and I'm gonna put a time lapse. So there we go. Okay.
Okay, so I got another fish, and yeah, that's about it.
Okay, we did. We saw it. I'm Andrew. This is Damon. Thanks for watching DNA Fishing. See you next time. Bye. Okay, guys. So we just got a clutch catch right after we did the outro. Damon caught his first catfish. It's a little tiny one. He's kind of feisty right now, but
Dude, we need him washed off.
yeah, we're gonna wash him off and we're gonna get some pictures for Damon. So, see you. Bye.
We need to keep.
Got it.